Decluttering mistakes that are sabotaging your organized life. Think you're decluttering your life? You might be making these mistakes that are actually keeping you from getting organized. Let's fix that. Mistake number one, holding on to just in case. You don't need to keep everything just in case. Let go of things that no longer serve you and make space for the things that do. Mistake number two, decluttering without a plan. Decluttering without a strategy leads to chaos. Start with a clear goal, like a single drawer or room, and break it down into manageable chunks. Mistake number three, not letting go of sentimental items. We all have sentimental items, but keeping everything isn't necessary. Keep the meaningful memories, but be selective about what you truly cherish. Mistake number four, over-organizing instead of simplifying. Organizing is not about more bins, it's about less stuff. Focus on simplifying your belongings and making sure everything has a purpose in your life. Mistake number five, not maintaining your organized space. Decluttering is a process, not a one-time event. Set up habits to keep your space organized daily, or else it'll all pile up again. Ready to declutter the right way? Subscribe for more tips to simplify your life. Comment below. Which decluttering mistake are you guilty of? Let's fix it together.